Hi guys, today we're crocheting this cute little flower applique or applique, however you call that. It's great to add to some plain projects like a hat or a bag. It's super easy to whip up and you can make loads of these and maybe attach them to a scarf or something. They're quite easy to make, very versatile, and you can make them with any 3 colors of your choice. Today I'm using Paintbox yarns in Simply DK. I'm going to use this lovely maroon red. I'm going to use a beige and a green. And we're going to need a 3.5mm hook. We're going to need a pair of scissors and a darning needle. Okay, let's get started. So this little flower is worked in 3 rounds. We're starting off with a circle, and then with the beige we are going to create these gaps around the circle. And then for round 3 with the red, we're going to work into these gaps to create the petals. So with our hook, we'll start with our green first. So starting round 1 with green, we're going to start off with a magic circle. If you're not sure how to work a magic circle, please go back to my video tutorial on how to work that. Or you could also just start with a chain 2 and work round 1 into the second chain from your hook. So from here we are going to work 10 double crochets into our magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have 10 double crochets, and we're going to pull our magic circle closed and slip stitch into the top of the first chain 2. Pull everything nice, pull out your yarn a little bit and snip that off, leaving a short tail. Okay, so we have our circle. Alright, so that's the end of round 1. So now with color 2, for round 2, we are going to attach the beige yarn. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We are going to skip a stitch and single crochet into the next stitch, like this. Chain 3 again, skip a stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next one. Chain 3, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next one, and one last time, chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch into the bottom of this first single crochet. Okay, pull it up, leave a short tail, and snip your yarn. This is the end of round 2. So now we have these gaps that we're going to work into for round 3. So now we get our red yarn. So for round 3, we're going to work into these gaps that we created in round 2. So choose one, insert your hook through the gap, and attach your red yarn like so. Now we're going to work 1 single crochet, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, all into that same gap. And we end in the same gap again with another single crochet. So that's 1 petal. We move over to the next gap, single crochet, 4 double crochet into that gap, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a single crochet into that same gap. Move over to the next gap and repeat for the 3rd petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet. The next gap, single crochet, 1 double, 2 double, 3 double, and 4 double, and single crochet to end it. Now we've got 1 more. Go into the next gap, single crochet, 4 doubles, 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4. We end with a single crochet, and we slip stitch into the top of the very first single crochet that we started this round with, like that. Okay, so now we pull this out. I'm going to leave a longer tail here so I can use it to attach it to my project. And with the tails here, you could either weave them in with your darning needle, but since these won't be visible in the back of my applique, I'm going to simply tie double knots, not too tight, with all these yarn strands, and then cut them off. I don't have the patience right now to weave in all these ends, so these double knots will do the job. There's this red one. Where did it go? This one here? No, this is the long one. The short one I'm also going to tie to another color here. Double knot. And we're done. We're just going to snip all these off. And there you have it, the Maybelline flower. Well, if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you'll be using this for. There's so many options. You could even attach it to a card, a personalized card that you're making for someone. You can change up the colors, of course, to your liking. And yeah, let me know how you like it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.